Now I make a delicious biscuit recipe. This is my favorite recipe. I hope you like it. I will start the recipe by giving 2 tablespoons cooking oil in the frying pan. Now I take some biscuit for frying. Fry biscuit 20 to 30 seconds. After frying biscuit, blend it. This recipe we are making today is one of my favorite. You can make it at home. I'm sure your family will like it a lot. In the frying pan, I will take 1 cup sugar, add 1/4 water with it. Next, I will put 1 cup milk powder here. Mix it and cook for 5 minutes. Now tell me from which country you are looking me. Also, you can send me your favorite recipe that I will use in next recipe. Now I will give biscuit crumbs. Again, add 1 cup mixed nuts. Mix it well. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. It will be dry mixture. Make a ball now by this mixture. Wow, my recipe is ready. It looks delicious and your family will like it a lot. Now enjoy with my family. Thank you for watching this recipe start to end. I would like to know it's your first time to seeing my recipe. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button for more recipe. Please like, share and follow my page for more recipe.